So here's our progress for the day, guys. Sean and Jordan and Caleb ran the tractor and the blade over this, and they've leveled most of this out. Got it ready for seeding. Look at all that. We got a bunch of that garbage cleaned out. All this is burning down into a nice neat pile. Getting this all cleared off and ready to run over and clear out. Caleb's still hard-headed. What are you working on, Jack? What did you do today?
Fencing.
Yeah, the boys got a bunch of show me. Take me and show me. Caleb's working on our old burn pile. He's getting the stumps out of that. Ooh, killed it out. Party's over. It's late. It's getting dark anyway, so he's getting the stumps cleared out there, and then we're gonna level it off, smooth as pie, ready to plant grass on it. Hey, Hayden, come. What are you doing, Poe?
I wanted to drive this, but I can't.
Oh, why can't you?
Because they won't let me.
Who won't let you?
Caleb.
Why don't you go up there and find Caleb and see if he'll take you for a ride? Here's the key.
Caleb's got it.
We'll go ask him. We'll go ask him.
Caleb!
And Chastity, she can ride too. There he is. He'll give you a ride. Your best sisters? All right. So we're going to go see what Hayden's done for the day. Step it up, buddy. So we're trying to get, there's all the little ladies, egg layers. We're trying to get our fence put up. Hayden and Jacob have done, what's up with the fence over there, Hayden? Why is it falling down? Everybody's going out.
I have no idea.
It's a disaster. They got all these poles tamped in. And we decided today, or Mama decided, oh, look at this. My girls have they've seeded this in with grass and then put hay everywhere. So we're gonna get some grass growing here theoretically. Hayden and Jacob have got the cattle panel or hog wire, cattle fencing, whatever you want to call it, up to here. And then it's ready to pull tight and stretch it out. And then they've got it stretched all the way down there. So I think they're ready to go. It's all our beautiful trees. There we go. It's got some blueberries, some grapes, 5 apples, 3 peaches, 1 plum, 2, what else? Figs, 2 figs, and 2 or 3 pears. So I got a few of them in there ready to go. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna pull the fence wire on this again. We're gonna stretch that dude out, and then we're gonna put the 3-foot chicken wire on the outside, and then there'll be a board at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the top. So a 3-board fence. And that's, I don't know if Mama wants boards all the way around the orchard. That's a whole bunch of boards, but we're at least gonna do the section in between the house and the orchard. And this is all gonna be grass before long, theoretically. That's our new baby chicks. They've just moved out of the house. And we got the 100, and Ethan said he checked last night. And out of all the ones, the 168 that we put in the incubator, he said that we had only 5 that weren't fertilized or doing anything. So we should have a whole bunch of chicks coming on. And we've got some ducks, 3 dozen duck eggs and 3 dozen turkey eggs that are fixing to come out. So getting excited. Getting Uncle James moved up out of his way. What else you got to say?
Like and subscribe our videos.
Good job. Like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Right on. And give us some comments. What kind of videos you'd like to see? Maybe a video about cleaning up down there.
Or four-wheeling.
Four-wheeling on the four-wheelers. Oh yeah, the four-wheeler that Lucy was on, that's Caleb's newest creation. So, like and subscribe. Have a good day. Y'all have a blessed day. Guys, look at our helpers today. So yesterday, the girls, Raven and the little girls, are working on seeding some grass seed in. And today the chickens are going around eating it all. So here's our fence coming along. Stretching it out with the truck. Boys can't find my come along. Big surprise. Yeah, we're gonna have this cattle panels, cattle wire, hog wire, whatever the heck it's called, up, looking nice and straight. And then Hayden and Jacob are working on pulling the chicken wire out. Don't do that sideways post. It's not where I want it. Don't nail into it. Just nail into the upright post.
Get away from it.
Pull it by hand. Y'all, you can have Sean pull it tight, and then y'all can nail it. Is that a banty?
I don't know, Daddy.
Yeah, a little banty.
It's sleeping.
Yeah, you can probably. She's up here with me. So Mama's working on her front yard again.
It's sleeping though, Daddy.
All the kids out there raking and burning some brush. And hopefully we'll have this getting close enough to...
Me and Raven are still working on hay today.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll have this close enough to put in some...
Daddy said he might pay if we get the whole yard done.
Yeah, we get paid a little bit. Hopefully we'll have this close enough to where we can get our chickens put up.
Yeah,
They can quit eating all my grass seeds.
Daddy, do they hear the cookie?
Yeah, they can hear the chickens. Mama decided that she wants to clear out more, so we were going to leave this as a buffer for the neighbors, but we're going to clear over to Uncle James's camper, and that about 40-50 foot wide strip down along through here. And we'll probably eventually, after we get this cleared, we'll move the fence on over, or maybe we'll leave it here and then put another fence, and then this could be like a berry patch, or who knows what Mom wants to do with it. But don't do that, Jimmy. You'll poke your nose with it. Well, that's our progress for the day.
Daddy, Peeping a real
It's a big mess. We're trying to clean up as we go,
Daddy,
but
can I go
sometimes we make more messes than what we clean up, and then we just got to stop work and clean up everything.
Can I suck on my chickie?
Sure.
That one's
What's his
missing.
name?
It's Lily, and it's a girl. No, Joe is...
Nobody can hear you.
The girl's name is Star.
Star.
That one's the girl, and it's like a boy one. And
Also.
it's
All right, guys. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and some comments, and y'all have a blessed day.